Well, good morning, everybody. I'm almost to Tallahassee, and I needed to pull over to one of the rest areas so that I could go to the bathroom. But y'all, this rest stop is absolutely, it's so fancy. It's so clean. There's so many places to picnic, and the bathrooms and everything are just so clean. I'm gonna walk around just a minute and just show y'all how nice it is. And I've noticed there are a lot of people that are camping or sleeping in their vehicles and in their campers and big trucks. They're spending the night here because they feel safe. There are armed securities, and yeah, it's just so nice. This might be a place that we can camp. Or I say camp, but you know what I mean. Spend the night, stealth camp. So, but anyway, let's go. Let's look at it. Let's look at this place. Look how nice. I've kind of just been taking my time. And I need to take a minute to edit this last video that I did so I can go on and get it out. Look at here. They've got separate buildings for the men and the women. Everything is just so clean and pristine. And look, they even have a family restroom. Okay, y'all, I found a place. Found a Planet Fitness just a few miles off the interstate here in Tallahassee, and I'm headed in to get a shower. I'll see y'all in a few. Look at this place. It's called the Pickle Pad. Crave Social Eatery. That's pretty cool, isn't it? My, some of the places you will see. Ooh, y'all, this place is fancy. This is a lot nicer than what we have at home. I got my shower. I got myself ready. So I'm about 3 hours away from Disney. So I've still got some driving to do, but I'm on my way. Y'all, and I was just going to tell you, I slept really pretty good in my van last night, and I pulled over at a roadside place. I did sleep. I felt very safe. It was like at a roadside truck stop area or whatever, rest stop. And I parked next to the security. I didn't feel threatened or unsafe or anything. It was very quiet. I keep cat food in my car, or in my van. So I got up this morning, saw a hungry kitten, got to feed it and love on it for just a minute. The day has started off very good. We made it to the Ticket and Transportation Center here at Magic Kingdom. I'm gonna catch a monorail over to Epcot so that we can go see the Flower and Garden Festival today. So there's a lot of sweet treats and a lot of food offerings at Epcot, especially for Easter and the Flower and Garden Festival. So we're gonna go over there and try some of that. So if you'll join my channel and like and hit the notification bell, you'll catch all of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. It means so much. The wind is blowing, y'all. It is absolutely wonderful. Feels so good. We're gonna walk into Communicore Hall, but first I gotta have something to drink. This Communicore Hall, y'all. Look at this. Look at the flowers. So celebrating the Flower and Garden. So this is how they make the topiaries. Oh, the weather forecast. Oh, yeah, and they have the birdhouses too. I forgot about that. Yeah, weather forecast. Oh, and they talk about the bees, the moon phases, unbelievable. There are nearly 100 topiaries on display. Goodness gracious, I've got to see all of those. Look at this. Unbelievable. So pretty. Look at this, y'all. Look at the butterfly. Just beautiful.
Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie go, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right.
Check out those birds, y'all. I wonder if Disney feeds them back there. Maybe that's why they congregate. I bet you there's 100 birds back there. Ooh, and they're beautiful. Wow. It's a whole bunch of them. Different kinds of birds. That is so cool. The little village. And all of this is located right next to Germany. This is... Listen to that music, y'all. Look at here, look at here. Is that not a beautiful topiary? Good morning, everybody. Well, I didn't get to do my outro last night. I forgot about it. I was so tired. But anyway, I didn't do Magic Kingdom. We're doing that for today. I'm headed to Planet Fitness and somewhere to get some coffee for this morning. So if you join me in this video, thank you so much for being here.